subscribe to M.Laskar and click on this bell icon for latest technologies video update.
This is the all-new Xiaomi Mi 9T. You can find out more at mi.com.